Hi, it's me again. I know my cameraographer is just make me lose energy sometimes. She said 1, 2, 3 ready, and then she's not ready. Just I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to show you in here right now how to tie branches when you building a espalier on a fence or in a wall. Sometimes when the branches has a sharp angle attached to the main trunk, you better tie that branch to the trunk before you pull it, because you can tear the branch apart like I did here when I put a little bit extra pressure. So, but now this is going to happen. See, look at this. This is before, this is after. Okay, so now I will need some help in here, or I can do it myself. I will get a piece of green gardening tape like this, and then I will go in here. I'm going to put this apart a little bit in here, like so. So this is the branch. I'm gonna bring this up in here so we have more room to grow in here. So now this is the way that you do it. See, this is before, this is after. Then you secure this tape in here like that. Then you start rolling this in here, tie enough so this tissue, the cambio is going to get together again, and then it's going to start growing together from the branch side to the trunk side, and then it's going to close so here, and then the branch we're not going to lose the branch. So never, when you tear a branch like that, never cut it, just tie it back, and then in 6 months, in a year, in 6 months you can remove the tape and the branch will be perfect in there. It's not going to have nothing, not going to be nothing wrong to do that. The branch is going to be strong enough to grow. I do this happen often to me. I do this often and have been working for many years. So this is the way that you do it. This is almost done. Then in here what you do, you bring the tape like this, bring the end of the tape from the top, pull it and tie it. Do it one more time, pull and tie. Now you cut in here. Now this branch is going. Now if we want, we can now without a problem, we can pull this branch like this. I am not ready to do this. I will let this branch grow a little more before I do this. But now by tying this in here, probably this I'm going to tie it before they tear. So now I can bend the branch like this to start building the espalier against this chain link fence. So as simple as that, and it works. See you the next time. Hasta la vista, mi amigo. These are tips that you cannot miss, or you will be missing these tips if you don't like me and there and subscribe on my videos. Please, this is helpful for you to know things for you to do in your home and your landscape, and have fun with your fruit trees. Pura vida.